I'm wearing camouflage, and my lawnmower is going to too. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my lawnmower. And if you have seen my lawnmower before, I actually did a video where sometimes I park this outside. I'm not done mowing the lawn, I can't get it back into my garage because I'm working on a project, what have you. And I bought a lawnmower cover, and it's worked pretty well, but it's kind of brown. And so when the spring starts to get in full bloom and everything starts to turn green, the camouflage cover, while it protects the lawnmower okay, it doesn't blend in with the surroundings. So I picked up a new one. Let's see if it works. So this is your pretty standard sized riding lawnmower. It's for home use, and this is the lawnmower cover that I have had here. And as you can see, it's kind of brown. Early in the spring, late in the fall, this actually hides it pretty good against the leaves, the dirt, everything that's brown. While it looks better than a bright purple lawnmower, a lot of lawnmowers are yellow, green, some of those colors. This does help protect it and hide it a little bit. Let me show you, I'll throw it on. So here it is. It looks pretty good. It protects it pretty well, but if I back up here, it doesn't really hide it, right? Everything is green around here. That bush is pretty green. The grass is pretty green. Looks a little too brown and orangish. So I picked up this. This is a lawnmower cover by Northeast Harbor. And as you can see here, it's kind of this nylon tent material, but we have a much more traditional camo. I think they would call this multi-cam in the Army, but you just got your big color splotches here, and at a glance, it looks a lot more like grass or woodland. So let's throw it on here and see if the lawnmower just disappears. So here it is. It's nice sized. It goes over here easily. One of the things that I noticed here is that we even have some drawstrings so we could tighten this little bad boy up. It's actually kind of nice that there are some breather holes up here too, protected by this flap. So you don't have to worry about any moisture in there, especially if you've gone ahead and mowed your lawn and you've got some wet grass clippings in there or something like that. They're not going to get too stanky, but man, I think that hides it so much better. So probably the only thing that's clashing with anything is that Northeast Harbor tag right on the front there. But man, that is so much better than an orange brownish one, which I will continue to probably use in the spring or the fall. So instead of it looking like this or like this, it looks like that, which looks so much better, so much more subtle. Obviously you can see it there, but blends in with the surroundings so much better. So if you want to hide your lawnmower, maybe another big lawn appliance with a waterproof camouflage cover, I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much.